Well, the news is out. It's a baby girl for Bollywood's beloved Deepveer. Yes, you have heard me right. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh, one of the most adored couples in the Bollywood industry, have now been blessed with a small little princess. The ecstatic new parents are yet to make the official announcement. We are expecting it very soon, but as of now, the news has already sent fans into a frenzy, flooding the internet with the love and congratulatory messages, of course. Now, the arrival of Deepika and Ranveer's baby girl could not have come at a more auspicious time, right? As the nation is celebrating the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, it looks like as if Lord Ganesha himself has blessed the couple with the most precious gift of their life. The Bollywood power couple has been waiting to enter this particular chapter of parenthood. They have very openly spoken about how they are eagerly waiting to, become the parents and embracing that particular chapter of their life. Last week only, in fact not so long ago, we spotted Deepika and Ranveer arriving at Mumbai's hospital in a luxury car with paparazzi buzzing around to catch just a glimpse of the couple right before they make their big announcement. Ever since, fans had been holding their breath, also eagerly waiting for the good news coming out from the couple. The duo also visited the iconic Sri Siddhivinayak temple in Mumbai ahead of the birth to seek divine blessings. Of course, a gesture that now feels even more significant, right? The happy couple's close friends, family and Bollywood fraternity, ever since they made the announcement of becoming parents, have been all supportive. They have been pouring in all of their warm wishes. We are yet to see a couple of more reactions coming in from all of them as and when Deepika and Ranveer finally announces their bundle of joy and reveal it to us as well. But they have certainly reached a milestone in their life and are beyond thrilled to see them embrace this new role as parents. We all are waiting for that moment. Yet, before the birth of their daughter, of course, a heavily pregnant Deepika Padukone decided to silence all of those critics and trollers and naysayers with a stunning maternity photo shoot that had fans in awe. Taking to Instagram, remember, Deepika shared this series of breathtaking photos, glowing in each frame as she proudly cradled her baby bump. She in fact gracefully shut down the months of speculations, trolling and accusations about her baby bump, showing the world that what exactly the true beauty of motherhood looks like. One of the most touching photos, of course, from that particular photo shoot of Deepika Padukone was her in a gorgeous black gown with Ranveer gently holding her baby bump, her belly, a moment of pure love and joy that captivated millions. The photo shoot was not just a response to the online chatter, it was in fact a celebration of the beautiful journey of becoming a mother and in fact for Ranveer entering the parenthood. As the internet continues to abuzz with excitement, fans cannot wait to see the first glimpse of Deepika and Ranveer's baby girl. And knowing how much this duo loves to share their happiness with their fans, we bet an adorable announcement is just around the corner. What are your thoughts though? Let us know in the comment section below.